Good morning, my dear students. Students, I hope you all are safe and fine at home. Students, today we are going to perform a maths activity. In this activity, we are going to learn about the multiples. So, for today, we are going to learn multiples up to 20. Okay, let us start. Firstly, you have to know what are the multiples. Let us revise. A multiple is the product. What is a multiple? It is the product of a given number. Okay, given whole number you can say, and another whole number. Okay, like 2 multiplied by 1 is equals to 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4. Okay, like if we see the multiple of 4 are 4 ones are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. These all are the product of a given whole number. Okay, now multiples form a skip counting pattern. Okay, like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So multiples form a skip counting pattern also. Now we will perform an activity, fun activity, through which we can know multiples of 1 to 20. Let's continue. Activity, you need A3 size sheet of white color or any light color, right? Now on this A3 size sheet, you have to make a grid like this. You have to make 20 columns and 20 rows. Okay, so these are the above. If you see the numbers 1, 2, 3, these are the columns, right? This is one column, this is two column, this is third column, this is fourth column, 5, 6 and so on up to 20. And these are the rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up so on up to 20. Okay, now you have to color every number in the first column. Okay, 1, this you have to color with the red color, any color that you want. Okay, of your color of your choice, every in the first column. Okay, if you see this is the first column, you have to color full, you have to color it full. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 11, 12, 13. This way you will color all the boxes in the first column, right? In the second column, you have to color every second box. Okay, you have to color the box at second interval like this. 2. This is the column 2. So you will cover 1 and 2. You will color it 2. Okay, then again 1 and 2, count 1 and 2 and you will color every second box. 1 and 2. So I am coloring every second box with the help of yellow color. Then again 1 and 2. Then 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Now in the third column, you have to color every third box. 1, 2, 3. So this I will color. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now in the fourth column, you have to color every fourth box. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Likewise, in the fifth column, you have to color every fifth box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. this is colored. Then 1 2 3 4 5, this is colored. 1 2 3 4 5, this is also colored. 1 2 3 4 5, this is colored. Okay, and like this 6 also. At every 6 box in the column you have to color. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, then 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and now you have to color every 7th box in the 7 column. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, color it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, color it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 is not their number, there are only 20 numbers, right? In the 8th column you will color every 8 box. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And in the 9th column you have to cover every 9th box. This 9 box, this 9 box. Okay, now in the 10th column also you have to color every 10 box. This 10 box, this 10 box. Now in 12 you have to in 11 you have to color every 11th box. In 12 you have to color every 12th box. In 13 also you have to color 13th box. In 14 also you have to color 14 box, 15 box, like so on. You have to color like this. Okay, now from this we will see the multiples of from 1 to 20. Okay, if we talk about 1, the color boxes in the first column are the multiples of 1. Okay, see, this is the number multiple of 1, and the boxes that are colored is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. These all 1 to 20 are the multiples of 1. Okay, now we will talk about the 2. Now the boxes colored with yellow. Okay, the boxes covered with yellow are the multiples of 2. This is the 2 column and we have to check rows. So this 2, the multiple of 2 is 2. Then 4 row is colored with yellow color. Then the multiple of 2 is 4. Then it is 6. Then it is 8. Then it is 10. Then it is 12. Then it is 14. Then it is 16. Then it is 18 and 20. Okay. For 3 also you will check 3. You will check rows and columns. Okay. Rows are the multiples. Okay. And column is the number for which we have to see the multiple. Okay, like we have to see the multiple of 3. So we will check the rows number. Okay, that orange color is at 3, and now at 6, at 9, at 12, at 15, at 18. So these are the multiples of 3. 4 multiples are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Now 5 multiples are 5, 10, 15, 20. Now 6 multiples are 6, 12, 18. 7 multiples are 7, 14. 8 multiples are 8, 16. 9 multiples are 9, 18. 10 multiples are 10, 20. Okay, 11 multiples are 11. 12 multiple is 12. 13 multiple is 13. 14 multiple is 14. 15 multiple is 15. And so on. 16 multiple is 16 and so on. 17 multiple is 17 and so on. 18 multiple is 18 and so on. 19 multiple is 19 and so on. 20 multiple is 20. Okay, like this we have to know the multiples of 1 to 20. Okay, I hope you all enjoy this fun activity and understand the concept of multiples. It's an easy way to understand the multiples of 1 to 20. You can make more than 20 rows and more than 20 columns as you wish. Okay, as multiples of a numbers are unlimited in number. Okay, they are infinite, so you can draw as much as you want. So thank you and have a nice day.